If your telephone is not working and you already test the phone, everything is working, you check the cords, make sure it's working. If you have another line or another room that the phone is working, you can take it and test. And sometimes it's maybe this cable, sometimes it might be this one right here that you need to replace, but sometimes, not many times, it's this one right here, the wall plate. This one sometimes get damaged and you need to replace it. Like in this case, I test this phone right here in another room and it's working. So the problem is the wall plate. You can find these ones in the hardware store. So what you're gonna do, I'm gonna recommend to take a picture how the lines are connected. You see, like this one is similar, it only has 4 cables. It has green, red, yellow, and black. Some of them got 6, the old ones got 6, and some old lines, they are all 4 are connected. So you got to make sure, check the old one where in which color is connected. So just take a picture so you're not going to forget. Take it to the hardware store and try to buy one that is similar to yours, okay? And then just take it off, unscrew the things, screw the plate. This doesn't have power, so don't worry about unplugging, turning off the power or anything. There is no power on the phone lines. And then just change your new plate, and boom, it's working. And yep, that's how you do it. Very easy. Then just put it back, put the screws back again on the new wall plate, and yep, that's how you fix the phone.